All right, quick analysis. The maximum number of items in a B tree of order m and height h, well, the root can have at most m-1. Level 1, keep in mind you can have m number of children, each of which can have at most m-1. So that's m times m-1. Of course, as you go down, you can keep having m children, each having m-1. So it's basically m to the h times m-1. So this means when m is 5 and your height is 2, that means you have about 124 elements that you can store. All right, how's it going? All right, again, why are we using these? When searching tables held on disk, very common operation in databases. The cost of each disk transfer is high, but doesn't depend much on the amount of data being transferred. In other words, most of the cost in disk transfer is the overhead of finding it, and then once you get to that location, it's really fast to read and send it out. This is especially true if you have consecutive items, aka you don't have to bounce around in the disk. So B tree of order 101, we can transfer each node in one disk operation. Actually, that could be 1,001, really. A B tree of order 101 and height 3 can hold 101 to the 4th minus 1, which is approximately 100 million items. And which means you can store 100 million items and only need to read the disk 3 times in order to find it. As opposed to a B tree, or a binary tree, which was what, 20? Yeah. We take m equals 3, by the way, you get a 2-3 tree, which is a binary tree, which all the non-leaf nodes have 2 or 3 children, and that's why it's usually thought of as a balanced binary tree. Probably no one did the 2-3 tree, but that's fine. Okay, binary trees can become unbalanced, which would lose their good time complexity if they go. AVL trees are strict binary trees that overcome the balance problem. Heaps are nice because they're always balanced, but only prioritized. They don't order, so you can't search. You can only get the largest. Right? Yep. Yeah, remember that. But they're still a binary tree. Multi-way trees, B trees, are M-way. They have odd number of children to make insertion easy, as well as a couple other things. One B tree, the 2-3, is approximately a permanent balanced binary tree, exchanging AVL's tree balancing operations for insertion and more complex deletion operations. Yeah.
So does that mean for our project 3 we can use a B tree?
Sure, go ahead.
If we can find the reports.
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
I can imagine like putting a question on like Stack Overflow about like, you know, a B tree. It's like, oh, I'm trying to make my own thing, like, and then there's someone who's like, well, I have my implementation here for $20 or whatever.
No. Well, really, what you should do is just stop. Please stop.
The real way is to post what you have and that it is the best.
Yeah, and
And
then
then
somebody
have
else will have
everyone
to try
else
to
show you
correct you.
why it isn't.
Nobody else try to
That's
correct you.
Oh, you
Everybody must be better than us.
Whenever I read Stack Overflow, a lot of those comments, I always like, well, actually, no, you don't do it that way.
I feel like
And it's
that's
always
at
the
least
guy that
half of
comments
the
the guy
comments
above
on the
him.
Stack Overflow forum.
It's
Yeah.
like the first guy that comments has the guy below him that says, no, actually. and
Actually,
it just keeps
you're
going
an
down.
idiot. We do it
And
this
the
way.
last guy is like, you're all stupid.
And then there's the one guy who has like 100 like upvotes, and he's like, I'm king.
Then
No
they
one
post that on
actually
his wall,
does
it's a
it. It
screenshot.
sounds like homework. Your professor's stupid.
I've seen that too.
My favorite ones are when someone asks a question and then like the guy who answers it starts out with, "This better not be homework." I'm like, "Oh, my dad," or something. And then they get the answer, and I'm like, "Oh, okay."
Wow, you just.
When they explicitly
This
ask in the
better not be
question,
homework.
"Don't give me the answer, explain it to me." That's the best ones. Like,
Wow.
people are weird.
All right, any questions about B trees?
Oh, yeah, that.
Yeah, it's not bad.
All right.